Well, it's kind of hard to see them, but the orioles have been coming to the feeder constantly. There's one on the feeder. There's one in the tree. And there's another one that just moved in. There's, see, right up there. Oh, that just flew in. It's standing on the eave trough right now. There's like 3 males. And whenever the female comes around, they move aside. Yeah. Just had some rain here this morning, so everything is nice and fresh and green. You can hear the frogs, all the birds, meadowlark, tree swallows flying around. Just a beautiful, beautiful morning. Oh, and even hummingbirds are back this morning. At least one anyway. Nice little female. And that's a good sign. Gives a fellow hope that spring is going to turn into summer here. Or winter is going to turn into summer. But hope all's well. Catch you on the next one.